Okay. So number 9. The way I deal with these is always, I try to do it in the parentheses first. Okay? The other thing is, I've got to do the exponent. That comes, because it's parentheses, exponents. Then multiplication, division from left to right. Okay? I cannot add these. Okay? Because it's x and y. Okay? So I go straight to exponents. So it's always PIMDOS, parentheses, exponents. Multiplication, division from left to right. Addition, subtraction from left to right. Okay? It's always PIMDOS. Okay? And when I'm doing exponents of a power, right? We need to multiply. Okay? So before we're adding the exponents because we're multiplying powers. Now we're doing a power of a power. And so we're multiplying, okay? Which makes this a 2 and this a negative 3. Okay? And this just comes down. Okay? And now I can start moving things around. Now I can start doing like I did before. Which was, I have this guy and it's going to come down. I have this guy and it's going to come down. Right? So I have x squared times 2 times y squared all over y cubed times y to the 4th. And it's just moving that negative to become positive. That's it. Okay? Now I want to start collecting my like terms. Because everything's positive and now I can deal with it. Okay? Just like life. You want to get everything positive and then deal with it. What?
Okay, so you brought the x to the 4th power?
Yes.
You brought that down, but you didn't bring the 2.
You don't bring it.
You don't?
Because it's not a part. Because because x is its own number.
X is its own thing. Now if there was a parentheses there, then it would be a part of it. But we would have pushed it through to both of them. Does that make sense? So yeah, the 2 is not part of the x. Very good explanation. It's its own entity. Okay? Alright. So, what do I do? Huh? Subtract, yeah. So the winner is the bigger number, right? And so this is the bigger number. And I always start with my x's. Even though the y came first, I always start with x's. Okay? And so I know it's going to be 2 from 4, which is 2, right? And then I'm going to worry about my y's. And that's the winner. So 2 from 3 is 1, right? Okay? And then I get left with that 2 on top. Okay? This guy right here. Okay? And then I go, okay, am I done? Yeah. And then I move on to the next one. Now, same thing. I want to move the negatives first. Okay? And look, I'm just going the opposite direction. I just want to make them positive. That's it. That's it. So I want to do parentheses first before I deal with exponents. Is that right? So I want to do everything in here before I deal with this guy. So I have 2m squared times m squared times n. Okay? And then it's over 2m to the 4th times 2. And then that's it. Okay? Now these two cancel each other out. That was kind of easy, right? But there are the 2 left over. Okay? I always deal with the numbers first. Then I go in alphabetical order. So, this can give, I don't know. Yeah. Yes.
And then when they just cross out with the M4 on the
Yeah. I mean, because this is really going to become. So it depends on how you want to do this. I would typically just go M4 up top. Does that make sense? But I also want to be a good teacher, so I'm going to put it down here. But I get that you guys are going to go, this is M4 and then cancel. And that's fine. Okay? But I'm just trying to make sure you guys see all my steps. And then this N is kind of stuck out there. And so now the M's get canceled out, right? And so what we're left with is N over 2. Does that make sense? And that's, is that helpful, Nolan?
Yeah.
Okay.